Wow, what a look I'm going for today. As you can tell, I'm wearing the new Apple Crossbody Strap for their latest generation of iPhones and select cases. I'm rocking right now the iPhone Air with their bumper case in black and then the cosmic orange crossbody strap here. So this is definitely some sort of fashion statement. I'm yet to really see anyone wearing these around, but I figured, you know, I'd give it a try, see if it looks cool or not. And I'll let you guys be the judge of that here. I do see how it can be, you know, pretty helpful to be able to grab your phone that quick and maybe shoot off a text message or something in a super speedy manner. But honestly, why not just put it in your pocket and save the 60 bucks maybe? So we'll see. Anyway, let's start getting this crossbody strap out of the box. Here we go. So this accessories box is pretty simple. It just says Apple iPhone crossbody strap, and there's a picture of it on the front. As you can see, I've got the orange one to, of course, match my cosmic orange 17 Pro Max. Over here on the back, it says it is for compatible iPhone cases. So that is just something to note, right? Not all Apple cases are gonna work with this crossbody strap. But anyway, let's just open this up and see what it's all about. So we can slide it out right here, and that's kind of a big package, you know, right? I mean, I didn't think it would need to be this big. So we've got some paperwork here, and then in here is the actual strap itself, as well as some instructions on how to install it. That's gonna be helpful because I've not done this before. I have no idea how to do this. So let's go ahead and try to figure that out. We can pop the strap out right here, and okay, it is very sturdy in there. I guess Apple didn't want it, you know, flailing around in the box. And then we also have these two little clip pieces right here. Pop these out as well. And it looks like what we're gonna wanna do is take our iPhone Air right here, and you'll notice on the bottom of this bumper case from Apple, it's got cutouts on these two bottom corners of the case where you can tie the clips in for the strap. Okay, so let me try to do that. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can figure this out. So it looks like what we're gonna wanna do is take the iPhone Air bumper off of my iPhone and then stick these little clips through these holes on the corners. And let's see if I can do it. Okay, it looks like I got one in, and then you're gonna wanna loop it around and get it right back out of the hole next to it. So let's see, this is kind of hard for me here. Voila, okay, we did it. And then you're going to stick this big piece through it and kind of like tie a little knot. Okay, so now we got one of them. Now let me do the other one the same way. We did it, okay? That was the first part. Next, we're going to want to take the strap itself right here and pop it open and then put it through these big clips and then squish this shut, and then do the same thing on the other side here. And now voila, I think I have this all ready to go. We can pop my iPhone in, and now let us do it. Can I wear it? Yes, I can. Check me out, folks. How do I look? I feel like I look pretty cool here, especially with this orange color, my blue Air, and then the black bumper. I mean, I think this has got to be a cool look, is it? So yeah, just imagine I'm walking along, doing my day, and then boom, get a notification on my phone. Ooh, text message, reply to it, shoot it out, and then boom, let my phone keep hanging. I mean, right? Or you could just put your phone in your pocket, right? So I don't know. This may be cool, may be gimmicky. It's hard to really say. I haven't seen anyone really wearing their phone like this around since this device has launched. So definitely let me know down in the comments. Is this crossbody strap a style you would rock? Or is it crazy? Just put your phone in your pocket. It does feel like it has very good build quality though. I like the way the material feels. It feels very sturdy around me. It's just, I feel like I gotta worry about my iPhone Air here being in a bumper case, right? Because like the whole back is exposed. So if I'm walking around, what if I bump into something? It probably wouldn't be very good, but hey, at least the crossbody strap feels good. But now if you guys do want this strap for yourselves, it will set you back about $60. So not exactly cheap. Plus, if you get this bumper case, for instance, with it, that's another 40 bucks. So this whole setup is 100 total. So yeah, more on the expensive side, I've got to say. But yeah, with that, there's not really too much more to say about this crossbody strap here. So if you are in the market for your very own iPhone Air accessories or cases, I'll have a link to the playlist of all of them that I've unboxed down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.